Very good morning, students. Previous class we have already discussed about the pandas with a data frame, data series, and pie chart, plotting, box chart. I am continuing with the data frame, some series and head and tail functions which can be used in a pandas. Let us continue. So creating a series from a scalar value. See, you can write any value, you can create a scalar value also with the pandas. See, it is a very simple two-line code. First, import pandas as a PD. So what is PD here? This is a aliases name of the pandas. You can write also panda, import panda, that's it. You have to use here pandas. So to create a series from scalar value, an index must be provided the scalar value will be repeated as per the length of the string. Remember it. Which is the length of the string? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are here. So it depends on a index. अब हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर पहले मैंने import कर दिया pandas as a PD. As usual, before this you have to import install pandas in your DOS prompt. pip install pandas, right? अब मैं क्या करूंगी s मेरा क्या रहेगा variable, the simple variable which already you are using in a class 11. This is a variable name, anything, this is nothing. We are creating a series of pandas here. ये हमारा s simple variable object create किया मैंने. Equal is a assignment operator. Then मैं क्या करूंगी pd क्या रहेगा मेरा which I am giving a aliases name to the pandas. Pandas का temporary name है. Temporary name means जैसे आपका स्कूल में नेम कुछ और होता है, आपका घर में प्यार से कोई और नेम से कॉल करते हैं. The similar to aliases name we can give the any packages. So pd dot series. अब मैं pd मेरा क्या है pandas name है. Dot after dot notation मैं क्या लिखूंगी series. Series in series you have to write capital S. सीरीज. अब मेरा सीरीज में क्या मैंने करना है ओनली 50 मेरा इस सीरीज के अंदर आना चाहिए. ये मेरा इंडेक्स है. दिस वैल्यू शुड बी प्रिंटेड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर इंडेक्स. ये डिपेंड करता है आपका इंडेक्स कितना है. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 5 वैल्यूज है तो ये कितनी बारी प्रिंट करेगा 1 2 3 4 5 टाइम्स. तो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन लेंथ ऑफ योर इंडेक्स, राइट. अब मैं pd डॉट सीरीज मैंने लिखा, सीरीज को कॉल किया आपने, इसमें पांडाज को कॉल किया. देन मैं मुझे वैल्यू प्रिंट करना है, एक ही वैल्यू को मुझे बार बार लिखना है तो मुझे बार बार थोड़ी करूंगी मैं, राइट. सो यहाँ पर मैं क्या करूंगी इसको सीरीज क्रिएट कर दूंगी. वैल्यू मैंने असाइन कर दिया 50. आफ्टर कॉमा इंडेक्स व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट इंडेक्स इक्वल. Equal is a assignment operator which assigning the index to these index value to the index, right. So index हमारा इसमें कहाँ से start होता है 0 से. So you have to remember how many elements you want it that should be count. अगर for loop आप यूज करते हैं तो उसमें 1 लेस होता है, इसमें 1 एक्स्ट्रा होता है. जैसे आपने 4 लिखा तो how many elements will be there 5 elements. So 0 1 2 3 4 these are our index and this value to be printed how many times 5 times. So this index automatically this is a generated. You can give the index, you can create your own index or otherwise it will automatically create your series of index. So this value will be printed here. So here it is showing D type. What is mean D type means this is a data type. What is a data type? Int. It will automatically come. It will display which type of data you are using in a pandas. so it automatically display. Don't confuse the what word it is coming. So it is D type means it is a data type. So यहाँ पर int display कर रहा है 64 bit. So next क्या, creating a series from और डिक्शनरी. अब डिक्शनरी से भी हम सीरीज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो इंपोर्ट पांडाज एज अ पीडी. अब मैंने पांडाज को इंपोर्ट कर दिया एज अ पीडी. देन मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, डिक्शनरी क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. डिक्शनरी में मैंने डी इक्वल नेम, दिस नेम आई हैव टू assign. Hardik I have written in a single quotation after comma. IP items, this is another value. Colon mi runs, this is a value. Under this it will be display. So 1500. So now मैं क्या करूंगी उसको, this D as a dictionary I have created. You can see curly brackets I am using. Name is a key, Hardik is a value. This IP item is a key, this is a value. This is a key and this is a value. And now what I'll do, S equal, S is a variable, it is nothing. In previous I have explained. S equal pd dot series. What I am creating, मैं यहाँ पर क्या create कर रही हूँ, series create कर रही हूँ. किसका series? D का. See, यहाँ पर मैंने index value मैंने खुद create किया है, but ये automatically pandas create करेगा, right? तो S equal pd dot series और ये D. D में मेरा क्या स्टोर है, dictionary. Dictionary D is nothing, it is dictionary name. You can assign any name to here. So अब मुझे क्या प्रिंट करना है, S मेरा ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसमें सीरीज क्रिएट करके उसको डिक्शनरी की वैल्यू को असाइन करेगा S के अंदर. दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट नेम, दिस इज अ डिक्शनरी नेम. सो नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, सिंपली मुझे प्रिंट करना है. प्रिंट किसको करना है, S मेरा ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसमें पांडा सीरीज क्रिएट कर रहा है विद द डिक्शनरी वैल्यू. सो मैंने प्रिंट किया यहाँ पर, और नेम IP items runs, ये मेरा 3 columns है. See, you can see here name, this. These are a column and these are a values. Hardik mi 1500. Right. So you can create a simple dictionary. I am showing here. I am sharing the screen, practical screen. So this is my simple. I am creating a dictionary value with the I am creating a data frame. See. So now first I have imported a pandas as a pandas package in my program. So import pandas as a PD. This line you have to import. Then मैं क्या करूँगी, data. What is data? Data is a dictionary name. ये मेरा क्या रहेगा यहाँ पर, dictionary name है. Equal मेरा क्या है, what is it? This is a assignment operator I have created here. Now curly bracket, this is beginning of the dictionary. I am starting a bracket. Here name is a column. See, name मेरा क्या है, यहाँ पर मैंने क्या create किया, name as a key. और अब यहाँ पर different values मैंने, this is just like a title. अगर आप कोई record आप बनाते हैं तो first title, then under this मुझे मैंने बोला आपको record बनाने के लिए, right? So I have given you task. You have to create a record of the students, name, age, address, qualification. What you will do, first you will create a name title, then age title, address and qualification. So uske under this what you will do, all the name of the student, age of the students and address of the student and qualification of the student. These are I have written these name. So here इसमें क्या, नेम कॉलम है हमारा, की, नेम इज अ की. अब की के अंदर एक ही टाइटल के अंदर बहुत सारी वैल्यू को असाइन करना है. व्हाट यू विल डू, you have to apply as a square bracket. colon, this is a key, colon, then square bracket, name should be enclosed in a single quotation. Name को क्या करेंगे आप single quotation में, after comma separation you have to give the all the values. This is a one block which I have differently I have enclosed in a single quotation and put it a comma. Now this is my another key. Age is another key. Under this, what I'll assign? I have given the name just like I am giving this value and this. Like any value you can write under this key. So I have put it these all values. Now address I am giving here. Just I have given these value inside this also you have to enclose in a square bracket. This after key name. See, after key name you have to put a colon. Colon means what is the use of colon here? Which you are making a key. Under this these all are a values. ये सारी हमारी क्या है? Values है. Now qualification is a key. After colon, then these are the qualification which I am assigning here. Now अब मेरा dictionary create हो गया यहाँ पर, right? Now I have to create a data frame from dictionary. Data frame create करूंगी dictionary से, right? DF. What is DF? This is a data frame name. Equal is a assignment operator. PD is dot data frame. What is this data frame I am creating? From dictionary. These values I have to make as a data frame. So simple df equal pd dot data frame data. Now I have to select two columns, only two columns. So मुझे खाली two columns देना है. How many columns I have? Name, age, address and qualification. There are 4 columns. Just what I'll do, select two columns. उसको only आपको 2 columns select करना है, only 1 column को select करना है. What you will do? क्या करना है आपको? Print df. Print is a function, so you have to write a normal bracket beginning. After this you have to write a df. df हमारा क्या है यहाँ पर? Data frame. df after square bracket. Data frame के अंदर 2 square bracket आपको put करना है, right? First for a data frame, second for a name. Columns जो आपको assign करना है. Name and qualification. Only 2 columns will be display. अगर मैं ये नहीं लिखती, this will display all the columns. This will display all the columns. If I write only df, what it will do? It will display all the columns which I have assigned with the data. अगर particular column को आपको define show कराना है, then df with the print command, df with data frame name with the double square bracket, you have to write a column name with the single quotation, whatever you have written here, which you want to make a title, here you have to write, then print. See, I am running this program. So it takes a time. See, this is after running the program. First, what I have given only name and qualification. These are my students and these are the qualification. So what I'll do, I have to display all the record, all the with the column value. So मैंने क्या किया? So you can view here. See, both the output and I am showing here. Only it is a data frame which combining the all the dictionary value in a df, right? अब मैंने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्रिंट क्या किया, नेम एंड क्वालिफिकेशन, हियर इट इज शोइंग नेम एंड क्वालिफिकेशन, खाली नेम और क्वालिफिकेशन को शो कर रहा है। नेक्स्ट मैंने सिंपल डीएफ को प्रिंट कर दिया, व्हाट इट इज डूइंग, इट विल डिस्प्ले ऑल द कॉलम्स विद द वैल्यू, सी name, age, address and qualification, name, age, address and qualification. So any data you can display accordingly, which you want to display column, which you want to display single row, you want to display top columns, top records and bottom records, anything which you want to display. So next topic we'll discuss about the inner pandas series head and tail function. What head and tail function does? Head will display top the rows and tail function will display bottom of the rows. See, what is data? Data is a vast number of record. If you want to display only from our top records and bottom records, which are in the top records and bottom records, so you can use head and tail function. So I am sharing another program. So this is my program which I am using. Here I am using NumPy also. So NumPy also you have to import pandas as a PD. What is pandas? I am creating a pandas here as a PD. Also I am importing NumPy here. Import NumPy as a NP. So Dixt1. What is Dixt1? This is a dictionary name. In previous program I have given data. Now I am using Dixt1. So this is my dictionary name. Here I am using age. Under this pd.series. अब मैं pd.series क्यों कर रही हूँ? क्योंकि मैंने numpy भी इसमें import कर लिया, मुझे series भी create करना है. These are my values. These all students values I am using here. Now I am giving a age. This is a age I have given with the age is a key. And pd.series, from this pd, what is pd? This is a my pandas dot, इन pandas में से मैं series use कर रही हूँ. series मैंने values दिया, previous value I have given a text value, now I am giving a numeric value. Just in a normal bracket with the square bracket you have to put a value. And rating, this is a another key. And pd.series, these are a points I am giving here. These are a points which assigning to rating points. Now I am creating a data frame here. मैं यहाँ पर data frame create कर रही हूँ. किसका? ये जो मैंने dictionary create किया इसका मैं क्या करूंगी? Data frame create करूंगी, right? ये सारी values मेरी किसमें store है? Dictionary में. What is dictionary? Dictionary क्या है? Dictionary just like you are using a dictionary of any alphabet, anything, and any telephone dictionary. It is a number of record you can store in a dictionary. Now, so I am creating a data frame of that dictionary. See, what is df here? df यहाँ पर मैंने क्या declare किया? Data frame का name दिया, object name दिया, equal is assignment operator pd. What is pd? This is a pandas. Pandas dot data frame. Pandas में से मैं किसको call कर रही हूँ? Member function को, data frame. और डेटा फ्रेम मैंने किसका क्रिएट करना है? डिक्शनरी. ये सारी वैल्यू जो dixt1 में स्टोर है वो मैं यहाँ पर किसका इसका फ्रेम क्रिएट कर रही हूँ, राइट? अब मैंने क्या किया? प्रिंट स्टूडेंट्स डेटा फ्रेम. पहले मैंने सिंपल टाइटल दे दिया, उसका नेम क्या दिया? स्टूडेंट्स डेटा फ्रेम, राइट? अब प्रिंट डीएफ, सिंपली मैं क्या करूंगी? प्रिंट डीएफ करूंगी तो ऑल द स्टूडेंट नेम, एज एंड रेटिंग पॉइंट्स विल बी डिस्प्ले. नाउ मैंने सेकेंड प्रिंट क्या किया? प्रिंट फर्स्ट 2 rows ऑफ द डेटा. 2 rows 3 rows यू कैन राइट. 2 rows को डिस्प्ले करना है, फर्स्ट 2 को. फर्स्ट 2 मेरे कौन से रिकॉर्ड्स हैं? दीज ऑल 2. एंड लास्ट 2 रिकॉर्ड्स कौन से है मेरे, तनिषा एंड दलजीत, एंड सो फर्स्ट 2 ये और लास्ट 2 रिकॉर्ड्स को मुझे डिस्प्ले कराना. सो व्हाट आई हैव गिवन, simple df dot head function I am using. Print is a member function, that is a for you have to use a normal bracket with the print df is a data frame which is a holding all the object. अब मैं इसमें head function को कॉल कर रही हूँ. df dot head, और हेड में से कितने रिकॉर्ड्स को मुझे डिस्प्ले कराना है, 2 रिकॉर्ड्स ओनली. एंड टेल में मुझे कौन सा रिकॉर्ड करना है, ओनली 2 रिकॉर्ड्स. तो आई एम रनिंग दिस प्रोग्राम. So you can view here, this is all the records which I have assigned to the dictionary. Now I am using only 2 top records and 2 bottom records. मुझे टॉप के 2 रिकॉर्ड्स दिखाना है और बॉटम के 2 रिकॉर्ड्स दिखाना है. तो दीज स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम, ये मेरे 2 टॉप के रिकॉर्ड्स हैं and 2 records bottom. So anything from a data frame you can display. All the records by using only simple print with the data frame object name. Only you can view with the tail and head and tail function particular record from a data frame. So see, I am making changes in this. I am writing here 1. What it will do? Last में I am giving a 4 records. So first only this will be display. Last मेरा 4 कौन सा रहेगा, यहाँ से श्रवण, साहिल, तनिषा and दलजीत. These record will be display. See. So these records from this first record, this is the 0th position. Only this record is showing which is in the 0th position, and these are the last 4 records, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th position. These value will be displayed. So now this head and tail function series, it is used to access the first 5 rows of the series. Last any records you can access. To access first 3 rows, we can call series name dot head 3. और last करना है, last के लिए we have to give the tail function. Top starting value आपको display कराना है, then you will give the head function, and ending value को display कराना है, that you have to give the tail function. See, here is also program. Import pandas as a PDs. Import numpy as a numpy also you have to call. Before this you have to install in your DOS prompt pip install numpy. Here I have given a ARR as a object name and equal np dot arrays. I am creating a arrays here. This is a different from previous program. These are a value separating with the comma. Now s equal, what is s? This is a nothing. This is I am creating a series object equal pd dot series array. This ARR I am assigning with the series. Whatever you are assigning value to ARR, that will be, it will create a series of it. अब मुझे क्या करना है, इसको प्रिंट करना है, टॉप के रिकॉर्ड्स को प्रिंट करना है. देन व्हाट आई विल डू, प्रिंट s डॉट हेड. सिंपल हेड करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स विल बी डिस्प्ले. all half records, 1 0 1 2 3 4, these till 55 it will display. Only you are not assigning the any value, it will automatically make a half, and 0 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 means one will be extra, it will take these value. And if you are mentioning any value here, print s dot 3, what it will do, 10 15 18 from it means 0 1 2. It if you are giving three elements, so it will display the from 0th position. So head function you can use with the any data with the series. Next is a tail function. So it is used to access the last 5 rows of a series. To access last 4, we can call series name tail, tail 4. So simple as simple it is. I am importing NumPy and pandas in my program. This is the arrays values I have assigned here. Now I am creating a s equal, this is a object series pd dot series array. Now print s dot tail. In previous I have written a head function. Now I am using a tail. Tail will display last record, ending record, and print s dot tail 4 means it will display last 4 records. So tail means it will make a half, 1 2 3 4 5. From here it is a first giving a 5 records, and if you want to display 4, it will start from a last 5th position, 5th 6th 7th 8. 4 record will be displayed. See the difference. In this it is showing 5 records, and this if you are mentioning any value it will display 4 records. So I hope you will understand this topic and try this and share your program with a screenshot. Thank you.